Hello everyone, you're welcome to Feb's Trade. Today, the first day of August 2022. We are super duper delighted to have you. Okay, a content, a strategy that is going to enable you in good profit while trading the Volatility 100 index or any other forex asset that you so desire to trade. All right, now this is otherwise known as a pullback trading strategy. Okay, so I know your ears are itching, getting ready to hear what I've got for you and all that. But before I say anything, guys, just go right now and click on the subscribe button. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notifications each time we drop strategies and content that would be beneficial to you. Yes, whatever questions you have, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can join our Telegram community at Ferbs Trade. All right, join the community, get access to trading signals, analytics, and market updates, or you can visit www.ferbstrade.com. Now, the strategy. How do you trade the Volatility 100 index with the pullback strategy? The strategy is all about momentum and volumes. Now, this strategy, we are not going to look at any indicator. We're going to be using pure price action to determine our entries and our exit. Remember, if you want to be successful trading in the forex market, then it means that you need a strategy, and as well as you need a trading plan. You also need a goal. So you don't just come in randomly because you will just want to come make profit, and that's just why you're in the forex market. No. Okay, this is a professional field and it should be treated professionally. Okay, now don't forget that you should not ignore risk management. Taking appropriate risk while applying strategies is also very important for capital preservation. All right, capital preservation. Okay, so guys, looking at this chart right now on the V100, this is a daily time frame. Okay, you can see that the market has been all the way up. It's been completely bullish. All right, the market has been completely bullish. Okay, first of all, let's show you that sign that tells that the market is completely bullish. Okay, so let's plot our trend line. Okay, let's plot our trend line. Let's leave it like that. Okay, let's plot the trend line. Now, looking at the market now, you can see that the price of this index has been bullish for quite a long time now. Okay, quite a long time now. Okay, let's just use the very last date that we have here, 19th May. Okay, so since 19th of May 2022, the price has been going up, up. So it goes up, it makes correction, it breaks above the high, it forms a new high, and all that. Market continue to give you swing high and swing low and all that to a particular direction. You should know that this is where the price is going to. And then the next thing you want to start looking out for is when this price is going to change direction. Okay, what will make you know when price is going to change direction? It is your candlestick movement. How a prior candle closed tells you if there is enough volume or momentum as at the time when it was actively moving. Okay, so guys, knowing that this asset is bullish for the now, and then you want to seek entries into the market, you need to always remember that the forex market works with levels. Okay, the forex market works with levels. Price don't just move and go to certain levels without meeting other levels, pushing above those levels and all that. So you must take note of these levels. That is why we have support and resistance. If you understand support and resistance, then it means you as well understand your supply and demand. So now guys, you should take note of this fact that your resistance level is equal to your supply zone, as your support level is equal to your demand zone. At demand level, we get increased buying pressure. At supply level, we get increased selling pressure. Now, this pressure that you see in the market, it is the momentum that enables the candle to be lengthy in movement. Okay, now you want to look out for when a candle doesn't have enough momentum after a long drive. Now guys, I'm going to break this chart down into 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is our 1 hour time frame right now, into the 1 hour time frame, and then you'll be able to see that there are certain levels on the chart that you must observe. Okay, now look at how this price has been. See where the price is currently. Okay, you can see that price came all the way from this top and boom to this level, right? Yes, and made correction to the upside and back down again. Okay, maybe you aren't seeing that very well, so I have to zoom in. Okay, and then I'm going to bring my arrow. So you see this level. This is a significant level because this is a level where market made a high and did not break above. Okay, this is a significant level. It is a key level currently, and now from this level, price changed direction to the downside. Okay, price changed direction to the downside, and then there was a close around here. Okay, and price changed direction again to the upside and back to that same zone. All right, back to that same zone. You want to seek entries on this chart using the 1 hour time frame. You're going to wait a whole long time before you get entries. So guys, haven't seen your swing high and your swing low. What is most important is identifying your most current swing high and swing low. So I'm going to place levels there. Okay, most current swing high, and then levels here, most current swing low. All right, now when I say swing high and swing low, I talk about the close of the last bullish candle and then the close of the last bearish candle that made a low. Okay, the close of the last bullish candle that made a high and then the close of the last bearish candle that made a low. So I have my levels to look at. The level 2092.05 and 2254.3.89. Most current swing level. Okay, now this level and this level. Now what I see price trying to do, it's trying to dip below this level, right? It's trying to break this level. Until this level has been broken, you don't have any entry to make on this chart. If you're coming in, then you're coming in at your own risk. You need to look out for how a candlestick closes. You need to see the volumes. Okay, now look at this candle. You see the volume in this candle, and while it was coming down, you could experience the momentum push to the downside, and eventually it closed around here but did not break that level. Okay, and then we have this current candle struggling to break the same level. Now I want to tell you something for sure. If this candle closes just like this, okay, closes like this in a bearish state, okay, in a bearish state with this amount that I'm seeing here, you see this is the high it made, and then you see the low it made, and then market is just moving in between. If it happens that this closes like this, then we have a candlestick that has been able to tell us that, oh boy, I am done moving to the downside, like I am exhausted. Okay, yes, The length of a candlestick tells you if price is about to make a reversal. Now this is what we are experiencing on this candle currently. Okay, so we're going to be waiting patiently until we see how this candle closes. If it closes very small, then it means that buyers will start to stack entries around this level to take what? Buy positions. Okay, to take buy positions. But you can as well get early entries on this mark, on this very candle. Okay, on this very candle you can get early entries. How do you get that early entries on this candle? How do you see when price is changing direction from this zone? Okay, now how you do that? Remember, we're talking about the pullback trading strategy. Okay, that means you want to look at how the prior candle closes. Now the best time frame that you need right now, okay, to see these early entries is your 5 minute time frame, the M5. So I'm going to change to the M5. All right, I'm changing to the M5. So we have the M5 right here. Okay, we have the M5 right here. Looking at the M5, I can see that market is just ranging within this zone. All right, market is ranging within that zone. Now price will have to do what? Break out. Price will have to break out above this place for you to start getting a smooth candle to the upside, or below this level for you to get a smooth sell to the downside. But for the now, there is a consolidation, a ranging market around here. So you wait patiently. Okay, you wait patiently until this consolidation is done before you want to apply the pullback trading strategy. So I'm going to be citing examples, how to get examples of that. Okay, pullback trading strategy. What are you looking out for? What are you looking out for? This is what you're looking out for. Okay, this is what you're looking out for. This is a level, price made a high, okay, and changed direction to the downside, right? Yeah, if you can see that correctly. Price made a high and closed here. You know, we are always taking the close of the last bullish candle, okay, and that is our level and not this week. Okay, this is just a high, a level where price got to and rejected, but the close is always very important because there is a strategy we call the prior trading strategy that when we talk about it, you're going to understand why we are taking the close of the last bullish candle as our level of resistance. Okay, now this is where price made a high and corrected itself to the downside, and then this is where price made a low and eventually closed here. So this level is what our level of support, because price changed direction from here to the upside. Now what happened? We're looking out for a candle that will tell us that market cannot push down anymore. So now you start to see how price reacts. Okay, so this is the reaction. This is the reaction you want to see. After this candle, a bullish candle, we got a bearish day. All right, we got a bearish day, a bearish candle, a bearish 5 minute candle. Okay, and now the candle had no enough momentum nor volume. So sellers on this candle, okay, did not actually invest money around here. Okay, and so the pressure to the downside diminished. Okay, the pressure to the downside was not seen, and then this candle closed in this form. Now, seeing such a small candle around a level of support, okay, then you start to look out for different type of candlestick formations. Either you want to see an engulfing candle, a bullish candle that would come and engulf this candle for you to get an entry, okay, because after this candle comes in and engulf this. Now this is what you want to see, and then your entry comes in right here on this candle. Okay, so when you come in on this candle, you hold till the close of that candle, and whatever you get, you make that as your profit for the day. Because for you to drive from this level to this level, you could make up to 20, 25, or even $30, even with the lowest lot size while trading the volatility 100 index. Okay, so you're looking out for candlesticks like this, a bearish candle. You want to see a bearish candle, a weak bearish candle. Okay, please take note of this. You want to see a weak bearish candle, okay, with no enough volume and momentum. So on this candle, the volume to the downside is less, the momentum to the downside is also less. Buyers came in. Okay, this was the first entry. The buyers came in on this candle. They took the price all the way up and rejected because sellers came in. They pressured down, so price closed around here, and they decided to pressure on this candle. But you see, they couldn't even go below this level, and then it closed. Now we are ready to ride, but we want to see a candle that will engulf this candle for us to come in to place a buy entry. Now this strategy is, you are going to be holding your entry, okay, until price closes, until the very candlestick closes, okay. Or you can decide to come out of the market when you see that you're making up to 10, 5, or even $20 on your trade. You come out, because this is a strategy you can apply multiple times while the price continue to be what, active. Okay, you want to see a small candle, a weak candle. For buyers to come in on the trade, you want to see candles like this. Whatever shape the candle is, but comparing it with other bearish candle to the downside, okay, you see that this is nothing compared to this very candle, okay, and then everything about the bears around here is weak. This came in as a confirmation, and then your entry is on this candle. Okay, this is your entry candle, this is your confirmation candle, okay, for the entry on this candle. Now if you can remember what we just talked about and then apply it to your trade, you would always make good profit every time you get to trade the volatility 100 index. But I want to make sure of something right now. Please don't apply greed when you're trading, okay? Even the institutional companies that they don't hold trades for too long. All right, they go in, they trade to make certain percentage, and then when they get that, they are out of the market. But we, the retail traders, we always want to keep ourselves too long in the market because we want to reap everything all at once. It is not like that. Growth is not done. Growth doesn't happen once. All right, it takes stages, days, months, years for you to get to the height that you are currently. Yeah, you listening to me right now. You can imagine when you were a little child, a baby, 3 years old, and then now at your age, can't you see the significant changes to your height? If you want to make wealth, then learn to be patient and then apply simple principles that will be giving you little things. Little things eventually becomes greater things. All right, so this is the kind of things you want to see, okay, for you to come in on a trade. Let's see if we'll get other opportunities, something again to rock with. Okay, let's see if we're gonna get other things to rock with. Can we get other things to rock with? Let's go back to the chart to see if we'll get another to rock with. All right, I can see something right here. Okay, so back to this place right now. See, price made a high around their change direction, created a low, okay, and eventually we begin to see weaker bearish candles, weak bearish candle, and then the next thing we saw a bullish candle that engulfed this candle, right? Yeah, a bullish candle that engulfed this candle. So your entry came in around here, okay, and then this candle gives you your profit. Whatever you get from this candle, you just have to be comfortable with it, because from this level to this level, you could make up to $10. Trust me when I say that. Okay, $10 per time, and then you get to apply this strategy 10 times a day because you want to take this as a full-time job. You're going to be making up to $100 for yourself. Okay, so you don't need to apply greed while trading in the forex market. I want to believe that somebody got value from what I just showed you right now. Best believe you got value from this. All right, so if you got value from this, I want to see comments in the comment section. Ask whatever questions you want to ask, okay? Join our Telegram channel at Febs Trade or visit our corporate website www.febstrade.com, and then you'll be able to see all the services that we offer here at the Febs Trade. We love you so much, and then we wish you to be successful, but please always apply proper risk management while trading whatever strategies you've been able to learn. Price action is key. Go and do more research, or you can join our forex course, okay, to learn more on supply and demand, which is your resistance and support levels. They are very important for you to make profit from the market. See you when next we get to drop another content. Make do with this one and stay profitable. Bye for now.